Yama munyina machim akwa bebiem emfamra bedwam dwumade so on Adom TV live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV they was on say live and so on. Yes, stream on all social media platforms, part of from Facebook to YouTube. Facebook check it Adom TV Extra. Adom TV Extra on Facebook. Oko YouTube we are searching for Adom TV. Adom TV on YouTube. Ne follow me akwasi insnya -6 on Facebook na yentua ekwono so FM free hodom penifo atena se betwi enkomo meka se hobeya 2025 grand deba no ebas nyame yadmo a ochena ewo hogbe park ye wo aloga etie nyina ye nhie mu hono mesisa afahye so akobi da ka bon say yes wakwa afahye akwa kana wedi edamu sonko kra Mr. Menyo Emfa Ephraim. It is a cultural heartbeat leading to Hogbe Chocho Festival 2025 under the team Building Bridges from Common History to a Common Destiny. It's ye ni so adu muda da ne de fretete eba and de ko ye ni so adu ya ekita ye ne. I say expect vibrant drumming, dancing, storytelling and pure and raw energy. Eti ye kan allow energy na odo china ye nhia ewo Hogbe Park ye wo aloga na me say grande bano ebeye brutal imbu se ba be sanso eni mesre wada what diabetes asisi ade eha wo ulcer cancer hypertension candidiasis hunam ya obabu nsada hunamane woni ma tontim endi hunam nyina ehojo mesre wada unya imbus heba mesre kan se o police ni no edru no ene edu papa e betimi abo ye pa abo gina ona so pebito o member bi eton do bi akwa won sabeka bi ato Imbus herbal mixture or say oppose nino edrona anope me hu ade bi we strike me say about 200,000 Ghanaians ewo bipolar Adom Nyindam a member of parliament Madisha wa Pandai constituency then Honorable Kofi Bente member of parliament Madisha was serious we never form no transfer no pay e betri enkomo the honorable member of parliament what call there Adom constituency
constituency already Adom. Ade achi edie.
Ede ya miase.
Na ye beda nyame ase.
Ede ya miase.
Wa hwe yeso. Na wa bon ho ban. Nya obi an anya ne say de we anya no.
Wo dem no free because no say videos na director show na awo.
Den ya.
Ye na speaker complain no. Mo say na wuchina na so den dem say yam ye do wa fofi.
Na say opposition dey say we ni adwuma dia. Opposition dey we ni adwuma.
We have kept say nyam ye di papa wa fofi. Who the speaker so who the camera no to so sorry. Na so on na quick before the be so dey na Cynthia 276 MPs and one is more per 70 MPs crowd they start adwuma na munya.
Well, me nu ansia ma me mfa akwanya isina ma chia wa hwefo. Na made in chia kese de ama bandaifo.
Okay.
Miche obi bia ahemfo ne ema ne emabu no mo okrumo nyina miche obi bia. Na mafa kwanya nso na machia me DC nso.
Okay.
Sabi adwuma me ne na ese ye.
Sure.
4 years die. Ye hwe kwan ye be fa so na edi mputu dwuma edi abre
Pandaifo.
Eni abre pandaifo. Just like now we can winner takes all. Yeah, politics na yeah anamra ya chichire no man yi mu.
Okay.
E de som Ghana man. E de ba mra e friend saying mpuntu dwuma ne MP adwuma ne DC take executives no. Emra no enra na ase me ne obi edi nkomo na me say ye say hwe nema bi yie. Ya hwe nema bi yie a emwae. Because your system no is a bit problematic. Na ukopanda me ba parliament with 27,000 votes. Nketwa nanka.
Yeah.
Nsi nipa 27,000 na asa line eno matro aba edi ama. Obia nhihye ne say wo di mpuntu dwuma ma yeden. Ebebre omo ama bibia konkan.
Yeah.
Omo amanto ama okra no. Sabi omo so make another choice no. Omo kan wo responsibility ho.
Sure.
Because abana to awie ne de. Wona we are MP mo bia. And found so we MPP ni o, we NDC ni o, we CPP ni o. it is your responsibility say MP no wodi mpuntu obeda ebeba ho but oba nhyehyeye mu a nka mpuntu dwuma pa de nka aban na aye friend say executive wing no omo na tumi ne yadan ehye omo nsa nti ne say opa kwan a na wan ko minister ho a wonsa nya dan enka so opensuo na wan ko minister ho a wonsa enka bibi bia wo pese wo de bekokpa ndai bia no ese wotimi nya some kind of adamfo bi anase some lobbying bi na oni minister no bedi nkomo na sabe wani be nyam kakra ama no na opushi nema bi de den edeko enukra no odeko no enam se ebia wo party fufuro ono so party fufuro ntino mpuntu djuma no bebre no looking at the way ya decentralizing enema no ese e call this assembly this na so ye den wodi anim even who MP no kra common fan na omo tua bia ama wo no enam se MP ye offices no ye ntimi ma office no enyina ne nan so
like constituency there no
even the office as a member of parliament no ntimi nyina ne nan so in the sense that ye ni accountants ye office ye ni auditors ye office nti sika bia ese ebama wo MP no omo tua ma assembly
no okay
nti se mimi hia bibia me hia bibi se sabe me ya ama pandaifo a egi se me chiroko assembly no na me direct assembly ne se we na me person ye den me de ye na letter no ko this no ho na wa minute so ana wa approve ansa na accountants ne omo na yeso mo ye nnuma no atimi aye san nnuma
okay
so you see that everything about you as a member of parliament is tied to the executives. Everything about you.
Yeah.
Eshe executives and answer. Until ne, sa over parliament. Na we yaw adwe say, bana amaban. Me ba be ye me MP adwuma nko a. Obewe. Me ti say na o run commentary say, mpuntu adwuma kura no ye wo MP adwuma.
Yeah.
You are very right. So obeka sa asem. That is policy, a friend saying, that is the constitutional aspects. And no, they wouldn't need how. But all the ground on one. Because the people expect a woman matter.
So how do we change that narrative from say, me a member of parliament?
Yes.
Ghana constitution man actually Juma me as MP.
Yes.
Me nkoye.
Yes.
Ghana constitution actually say eba empuntua ehye mampeninsa mampenisi bi nkwa mentimi yentime yi abanam sini is a man for wo pandai epempuntua ye meso wo pachi ba ye ni se mampeni nam sini wo pandai adenti ye ja mampeni nam sini na wo MP ne ba be takew e kwam ne betimi afa so betimi asesa saa adwen no
those days no nka ye nuanom NDC 40 ase maaye before 2024 election na nka ye elect MMDC isa
okay
enka esobeti ohaw no so be den ebeti kakra sabe nipa na omo kwa akoto aba no omo de omo fo se wu na omo de tumi na den e de ama
okay
and the president no so ne yehu no one be hu panda for the do say ne be hu president they won't see him they voted for the president all right but they don't see the president and na ono no a wo yi na na munsi ni say DC no omo anto aba ama DC no they didn't vote for the DC.
So is it also because of the premise enyina so omode eto abama MPT ena ma adwena ko ese me pempuntu amenko MP1
yes say nyina so ne the same thing nyina so omode to abama president the same nyina so na omode to abama MP
so eti president bonto aka kire man for say me John Mahama pandaifo mo akwan me ba me ya amamo is it the same campaign now they check pandaifo ana
enye the same but na me can say enam say President John Dramani Mahama eko pandai ko ka check pandai for meye mo akwan amamo no omuto abama no sada na esutun say aba na etu no one day na etu aba mi no
sure
wo MP no so a wo so gina ho no wo so hye ombo say sanyame ya adom na ma metumi na me ko mrahye badwa mu a me ko akoko na me di mpuntu ai den e de abre
na so be da akọ de bisa mpuntu na
oh yes it's one of those things the lobbyist case na American it's one of them oh say me come minister ho
because
minister ABCD we here we
Adom na think say maybe the fact me
okay maybe why you come then
challenge no e won Sa lobbying skills no.
Yeah.
Yes, MPs ni be nyande akopre mpunto di aba.
Yeah.
Mama na to amanfo tim say.
Yeah.
So lobbying skills na kutade a. And also timi ji mpunto ndi eba.
That's true.
Etu ko na akwa akonya pe na akwa yasem.
Yeah.
Ade ti da yentimi can the reality on the ground. En fan kire manfo se empokra party kra wo power. Ube bre kra sa na on set timi akampani ma. Ni en fa pressure ne fan to Jubilee House so. Eti panafo akwan enye na ye bom a na ye bom de egu Jubilee House so. But ye mehwe nim say ye MP na to abama so nko hyemra. MP na kwa hyemra ya gi budget atum. Budget ni wo mu say ye be panafo kwan. Mim MP na adwuma ne so obegi sa budget na tum. Ni yetime nye skade be kwan. Ye nya ya ade ti sa be hold me MP na me gi budget ni tum no responsible when nipa no so sa budget ni adwuma no eye president Mahama na finance minister.
Yes, that's what I'm saying, sir. One analysis now, why? An explanation now, man.
Yeah.
And yes, and Tosumo, pa. But you started a democracy, no. You shan't say the way I was shall.
Okay.
One, and I've even, the genesis of even giving MP some monies these days, it emanates from some of the difficulties now facing.
Okay.
Because in normal circumstances, then MP grant can set more common fund. But MPs are giving some portions of common fund. Say be ya meet these challenges.
Okay.
Ewo constituency. Me say me common fund na me receive no. Me the yam puntu juma.
Ebiri.
Me to hospital beds. Me get some rural identifications. Me ba be start school buildings. Me ba be start yes me dual dexes.
Okay.
All these things idea in the next 4 years no. Me ye nema bebre.
That's within
me common fund. No?
Yes.
Are you getting me? Yeah. But the major resources nankasa no ekura President John Dramani Mahama. But minua na na mbusa say na na mo sini na ono ye MC no. Wa appoint no.
Okay.
So omegina na namu.
Yeah.
But the people don't see it because omo anto aba man directly.
But I bet me mama for that say when you see the MC here,
yes,
when His Excellency John Dramani Mahama or to about the man your president.
Eba so mo di post ni dia, but fashion bia mo be ko bia no. Sa post ni dia mo say I am the representative of the president.
Okay.
And the MC is for no omo kan. Say just say sa post na mo de be giri dia.
Okay.
Omo kan papa. Ba yenyen punto ni dia.
Menye mampani na msi.
Edru ba bia dia was want to aba me. So these are the difficulties. MP now about parliament no. You have a responsibility. Look, I was one of those people on the 7th parliament.
Okay.
You push you say normally we sit at 10 o'clock. Oh yes, I know.
Yeah.
Now parliament we sit at 10 o'clock per our standing orders.
Yeah.
But 10 o'clock now is so early. Sitting no now is difficult to say members on the floor. Until your advocate says sana dia and your man shifted sitting time no from 10 o'clock to 2 o'clock.
Okay.
It became a huge debate. But now parliament we no man who say sana ya sha say the intention they say nka no patutunu MPs na mo person mo be visit ministers.
Okay.
Na mo lobby for projects no. Mo di anopa no be den. So that by 2 o'clock ni there but be no person ko bia na nka wa ya den. Enko akwa wie na nka over parliament. Okay. That was a rationale. Yeah. But unfortunately for some reasons nipa do na MP parliament ba. I don't understand. I don't know why. But if I order 15 to order 16, it clearly tells you how to go about it. Me nya kwan en ye nyina ye nipa. Obi hu betumi ayare, ebi betu kwan. Nti esu go through permission. So when you know, it me my parliament. Every side that way, a copy side that way mean to me my parliament. Now go submit what we call leave of absence. Now whips are signed, now speaker grant you. And no, Emma kwan bebre, Emma also on yeah. But so one yes idea no. Na say deliberately or for some reason one ba parliament. So as I was on yes so as kitwa. Enya is say we declare a member of parliament seat vacant. Because the amount of money would be elected MP no enye sika kuma me na make achiro say ne pakoko the various by elections ayaye na hwes kapudu awuram private aspect government aspect and all those so obey elect MP fufuro no enye ade eda form nti afutu aya na me de members ne say you have to be very careful because if you speaker back na if parliament no more yes ade no if you have realized it tema sabi adjust afunya some challenges they nearly triggered that order 16.
Okay.
Say you better declare the seat
vacant.
Vacant na yama elections across, but and me anya den amaso. And back when I know back when very well. Edru ba bi na sabio na nema na ba. Obetimi aye nema bi a. One way ya enko ye nya den emaye. But I think that abano ye na ye de home call ye na moto abano maye. Ntimi me ag members say you cannot be giving excuses all the time. Nti ebe ya members na sabio omo absenteeism ne ayaye more no omo nto omo fo because adwuma ya na yesi e babaye e na sabe yakunye ho amanfo asaline amanfo abre e na omo de omo tumi ne de maaye ti me mefu say wanya gi sa tumi ne de make time and go to parliament and then make sure say you are representing your people
because
but challenge is there home
if someone here 92 members of parliament to form quorum
yes
na motimi atena say aye modwuma na say out of 276 yenya 92 MPs for parliament
but we tie debate na course on the floor now. I don't want to sound too partisan in this matter. Mpensenpensenmu sound too partisan. The fact say 87.
Okay.
Our mom 189.
Okay.
Does not mean say yen so 87 no.
Mu nyina mo bae.
Yen nyina no. Yen na 87. Okay. I'm just saying say they can do business without 87 no.
Okay.
They can successfully because just like you have said no. This is the first time an election like this and the verdict has been given to one party absolutely. This is the first time in the Fourth Republic and see that. So Oma to Abana NDC one party at Mianya 189 members of parliament, which means say 87 no. Sabe prebiasa. I just say adwuma bia ni home ntimi. But every blessed day no, they struggle. NDC struggles to bring 96 members of parliament.
Every day.
Every sitting they want me. So they won't say police our numbers and then they are coming to pull a surprise. Omodi bill bi ba. Omunim say sa bill we dey e be a minority you can one sem nti e be draw abatro. E draw abatro there then they have the numbers to make sure that they push it through. Any other time no there e just say president is coming to deliver the state of the nation and then the house will be full. Now sabi obi atonyo mama no. The house will be full. All of them will come. Now, but other than that, every single day, they are not able to get.
Out of 189 members of parliament.
Yes, they are not able to pull
96.
No, me. Opa, but your cameras are there. You can go back to the various meetings now. Yeah. No, they are not able to do it. Meanwhile, the 96 is just. My food, if I say half of the members no here. And MPs no more ministers no more saying.
Less than 60.
Less than 60 because more ministers in your be an MP.
Yeah.
Are you getting me?
Because I say granted so we na MPs.
But then no grant you. But that is not because you want bebre so amoye ministers are MPs like the former defense minister may so rest in perfect. Omanebo. Say no MP.
Yeah.
It was Ole Mutala who is an MP who has been replaced. Are you getting me? Although one minister there, but for now there he has been replaced on the floor.
Oh yeah.
Until no 4 ministers now. Make me I can say just baby 50 and now less than 50 and a year MPs are almost free the majority side.
Yeah.
So I don't want to say I am being partisan on this matter, but I think that parliament is parliament. Parliament is parliament. But absolute majority now almost one. I'm telling you that look, every sitting day they are not able to pull 96. Normally, they will pick up normal for other votes of proceedings. Normal quoting votes and proceedings say by close of sitting, this is the number of people who attended. But at the end of the day, Obi Bechironi, yeah, Poncrano to Bechironi. See, votes and proceedings in there, and only just a document. But in actual sense, I advise members strongly, especially fresh members now, my band say, look, you need to take parliamentary business seriously because yes, I will be free parliament. You won't learn anything. And these are the challenges I have.
Honorable Kofi Bent, a member of parliament, was she. We also constituency. Honorable Kodia.
Yeah.
How's why late?
Jumano doso. Some phone so doso.
Mudoni.
hide you cry it, no so be my little back be. But you na kan ho.
Na mon ko parliament.
Parliament. Papa we. Madam for pa bisa no. Me hu no parliament. Papa ya ko parliament.
Me ko.
Say ya hu me.
What say question nya wo nko aho. Obusa na mo nyina parliament.
You see, that question okay, me say be nya wo nyina na bi so bi am.
Me who?
The issue is me who time ya raise the issue of quorum e wo hɔ a ya ka say ya nya nipa. We parliament adwuma no edoso. Enye chamber ho nko a. Yeah. Na committees no yaka among the business committee your challenger says ya nya no ye schedule wenum nyina asata nura say your ka no chini nura na committees are sitting on the platforms ye be fresh wo momra no na ye send na ye committee ye mpon yo in fact committees no high because speaker bon no modern say committee sittings ntino ye start plenary sitting 2 p.m.
yeah
na nka committees no entina say anopa ansa
main city na baso ya no nya solve problem but the other thing me hu ni say over your offices na your TV or why monitor the course wo nyina and the nyina sometimes ukotina chamber ho a bitime to we tabante me contempa bitime to obi abe no cry 1 hour me boa na yen start it ebi so a na chamber ho there so many things you cannot do on the floor. In fact, okay, I'm running straight to the cry. I can't even read. Why seated there? Untimi fa laptop nko, untimi. Nti bia na wo wadwuma kakra bia obeye. Nipa ndo kwa kochina ne office. Oye na wo hwe TV no hwe de ekoso wo chamber ho nyina. Nti speaker nya ba na hu se omunu a e wo bell. Kre nti say speaker ba me in 10 minutes. Yeah.
Nti that is why obeka say ye ni quorum. But obo bell no 10 minutes now. In fact, very disturbing to officer Ubejane.
Okay, so
that is how he's able to.
The man, or complaining, no, one of the longest serving members of parliament, Ghana, was sitting through parliament from 1992 till now, you can say. So for him to complain, when him say challenges, I'm working one same way, a committee settings near the other, as we speak. How many committees na a year juma?
Committees doso.
Yes, no me committees doso. Say na a year juma ye ka say.
What do you mean by a year juma?
Like the number of committees or more sittings in tia e mo ntimi ma or members
determine committee na determine meetings
as we speak. We don't have about 5 committees sitting at a go.
I can say yes. And they can determine.
I'm saying that because you're a parliamentary correspondent who report from these committee sittings. Because as we speak, we don't have about 5 committees. Yeah, etnasia a year you at a go. See, make us say.
I don't know where you are getting your data from. But what about Enra? What about Enrechi? And what about every day? Because committee sitting. And yet the idea I publish. In fact, I'm telling you about business committee. Committee to crown find the way man will publish it. He said the Obe who say in our other paper no, and then committee is 5 city. Committee to be crowd even outside the jurisdiction, outside even the city.
Speaker is aware. Speaker is aware of all meetings. Yes. Whether published and as published here, whether in country and as outside the country. For speaker to say, yes, I am giving a last warning. Good. It tells you say who can complain now who can. We are very still they are still loopholes.
Speaker will not because speaker can say committee men sit at this time. And as a committee, my more time we try to that committee could dig into that time. Will speaker not complain? And if he say because speaker is complaining, they say committee is not sitting.
Because
as soon as they on our platforms, as soon as speaker Becker say come na and a committee on point, it will be flouting on the platform. In the church say instruction now speaker dear on sittings. And no na omundi su ya me the committee Thursdays be a business committee. Okay. They say because you was sitting 2 p.m. you best start here sitting 12 p.m.
Okay.
In fact, the BI quite try meeting last Thursday. Before realize now discussion no I extend there could 2 p.m. because of no maybe a bar afterwards.
Okay.
You also know what's your coco start business no cra. Giddy any young members in after 12 no so far. And some of these delays will come. But media near say committees no and I near certain times. Otherwise, getting 93 100 to start business every day there and can get problem. And see issue. Within in less than 10 minutes, I feel Munyana and
Ebro 10 minutes.
With the Bruce and Muka, Omunyana, almost more offices. And you see, sometimes we one the deputy whip. Omono, ya task you almost say, see, and now say, no, and I say, we be. Ya task you almost say, see, Omana Nam so Munya Nubia, when I said, we don't know, Omudia ne kono. Even instances are deputy whip, or deputy whip. One raising issue of Koroma, you check here now, and this it's on the floor of Parliament. It happened. I was there. And it says, no Koroma. They are here every day. Obey the issue of
Sir, but just stand by Speaker of Parliament. Video, mama, Nadia. Honorable Tebia. I know what Speaker can. Sometimes I stay there, observe. Okay. Said the be a very cool. More far camera and crown to your side. Emma, public, and also here. What they are, let the camera guy. What about it? One more any time. A very issue of Kolumu. You have camera into your side. You have to almost side. Almost the better side. Yes, Speaker of Parliament. It's just Speaker. It's just Speaker of Parliament.
Before usually I commence proceedings, I always take account of those present. I'm not happy with the situation. I did indicate from the very beginning of this meeting that I have the records of attendance for the first meeting and the second meeting. I decided for good reason not to publish them, but to give you the last opportunity. It looks
like... Okay. It's the Speaker kind of say, a free samubai. The beer, mo better so be uremu bia no. O make sure say ya kan mo amwo edan. Na ti asmo kan. Mani nye numbers na me hu no.
Memo. Somebody can.
O speaker.
Oh, no, they all can. Make be aboa.
Speaker say na me kan you.
Okay. They tell me na maka no. Say usually speaker be uremu no.
Okay.
Not numbers, and yeah, almost every unless say occasion. The reason I'm can say, you tell my you started setting no yenis. Oti ha yen can okre. CSC 2. Enti yeni aye ba fufu ye say oh me person me content we kokoti na be 1 hour, 2 hours something. Me started setting. Because more man to speak about better so there.
And of course say speaker say na wo camera wa office. Speaker so they say one for national security guys are from
say speaker speaker so baba na
but you kwa say yes sir I was say speaker better ma share forward them ho
enti time no dey this one bebre better na because we bisa no say o better na ho say statistics and no edi enya enti enyina both clerks table any members na enyina yen na time because we catch see who say one thing you need time e depon say ni nyina yen say you started this time na yen hwepu ya I don't think spending 5 hours in the chamber
but difficult free but a member of parliament manager was secretary you so what about you that man for we and OSP to charge Ofori-Atta is a corruption charges is the bubruja
one kakra ansa na maba we no so
okay
ne o kan you know ebi wo ho a me ne ya adwen
okay
as parliament third time member of parliament no I've always said your timing
okay
to start business on the floor is full of switches
okay
enye constant you bet me I can say about 2 o'clock but we'll end up sitting around 3 o'clock.
Okay.
And so hard way. But there is nothing that justify a wrong. na ebeka nyina chi no
why late
wa ama and I hear the speaker crack kana although wakakoro ho asem there but he's talking about attendance or no use votes and proceedings every year because your members present with members absent with permission and your members absent. These are the three categories. Nti ono kan members na omaye absent.
Okay.
Say onko publishing di na nka asamaba. Nti eno de nko aso de akyeye.
Okay.
But me feel say explanation e be me bia no. Ento so say wenti and a manya den mama parliament.
Okay.
That's the angle I want to come from. Now, utie special prosecutor. Enyasa.
Yeah.
Sanema we yebehu sa till the end say 4 years beba bedu. Corruption charges here and there we. Adeba ko a meka any party ni nyina ye kan say. Boni de sabe tumi na Ghana for the amount. Sa fa somo. Se osomo na nema bi anko yi a emra na ewo oman mu no. Emra no ne obaye ebedi we NDC new we MPP new we DA new ena sabe omudi tumi no maawo say fire bibi pa na bibi anko yie na mra no hu say anyone anko yie a emra no obaye den ebedi emfa ho ne party a we den wodom but uhwe NDC for befa tumi from the one utumi say ye hawa na ye won say nsem na omo kan ase mene wadwuma yi ayeyi wa wona make on because emra you are the OSP tumi no wo de ye na ya hye mra na edi tumi na eden edi amount nti na ya from say special prosecutor okay you are not a journalist no attorney general the whole mra Ghana nyina no wona eden wodan lawyer kukuda ye feel say they would have been doing more of the legal issues than the public engagement na ya nwede omoye because omutimi betenase no ma say obi din poto no mo kro mo nya ye den omo charge ni pa ne Ofori-Atta sama ata sama okofa baye edifa SML unu ka ho na what declare Ofori-Atta wanted yeah, it's been part of it. We are declaring wanted to the sense that we are invoking international protocols a friend said Interpol
yeah
say sa nipa we yen chininya den enfamro man but what here story in the press conference now we here na enora no was say afi no be den obe charge anamo anya sa no kan
yeah
he's yet to charge Ofori-Atta and others. So on what basis now declaring a fugitive of the law? Sanema when I say they want to continuously I say nkrofo nkrofo omo criminals omo way and they always want to engage the media. Say be ya Ghana fo bebre be kase oh sa nkrofo ko we de ana asimasi we de wo your krofo wa yesey ebia ubedru emra no mu no emra ne ubedi no wan hwe yi a nsam na wo kafa nipa no ho no ebia na nkwankwa eden ankwankwa banesa
but as a member of parliament and a former member yeah now party what power what is some of the charges ni bia ya hodwuru
well ye nipa de you see until I say we shouldn't be doing the PR
okay
because never be what we are there a show but the person is presumed to be innocent until proven and that proving is not done by just an individual but a court of competent jurisdiction will convict the person say when I see into why you say into running why then we are all with him but when a kobana sa na wan hwe okasa mu yi a ebia ne ohwe mi ana ne otie mi ebia na adwen say ufo abone so
okay
I get me. Can Ofori-Atta SML as more okay. Sabe, me mean to a minimum way. Me nim near Koso or me nka omuhubi. Ena sabe prebiasa. Sabe prebiasa. Says Kabi Kran and never be Kran uncle ya. I don't think that anybody in the party no support any wrongdoing. I don't think so. Nti emrano omuhwe no mu se emrane ne nema bia wo ye no anko yie na emrane ubedi a emrane no ubedi. But we keep just attorney general ba no abeye press conference no can say ebi anani pa no kra no wonya charge no was say any pan din. And the court of public opinion no any so ya huge. And no to me a sell cry. Answer the better was some cry no was Odian say. The court of public opinion is so huge. Say, oh, as I see your comfort. Ebia, mran bending bedina, ebia, overcast one your comfort no. Publicity na. Okas or your comfort in ya no. One your comfort no. That publicity will not come. By the end of the day, any panel will need the idea. They won't say anything. Enti mimi fo say ye politicians die ye nipa die wo betina office die enye dan bia na enso bi ba dan ebeba one or two people.
So na no brother Minister for Government Communications Felix Kwachofo so betina ba bia otiye na na se ba ko so kan say wo hwe asem na to ne ye no a kan ye e wo press conference na sena and the same charges now to the court and na krata bi e be court bians no a public document. And no, so called say now so pay charges I prefer against Ofori-Atta on submit me account court because abaye o my money na dia. It will hunu sunsuni a eda se ye de court na asem kro na ye ka wasem e wa abonten.
No, ye betimi aka.
Wamo.
Mineo.
Okay.
Any other people are more running commentary betimi aka.
Okay.
And then utie nti na me ka say utie near OSP Kayana.
Yeah.
Or say, afraid na me babe day.
Abe
charge yom. Nti fan say wa court ne, and wa charge Ofori-Atta ni ade say. Okay. I have charged them with ABCD.
Okay.
It's public knowledge because more reporters were.
Yeah, court.
Court. So reporters ne be report. Nti officially ne ye na asabio, ye nye lawyers na omo ka ho no. We can begin to feed on some of this. But when Anka Sano as we say Jumano, when you say Jumano, now about out. Now I become handsome. So in event say, you kind and yana sa.
What's say the
panity?
I know they say remedies for her.
Oh, but why would you intentionally create a problem and then go for a remedy?
Because you don't do that. One breath, what I say is good. See, my public and so. A man for no who dear air cost because day I work up ye assembly bia ko pie won so dia ye nyina public document ye nyina ye nim asem e kopie ho na journalist de ba ono so investigation no e ka kire answer wo de kokota me hu we bia eno kra me yetimi hold no accountable because so wetimi akasa pa dia say we explain some over king na say nyanko kokota ye nyina ye hu bi nte ba me kra hu say san sam na abeka ye no akosi esen na or they call na ye nim na journalist call journalist bye because the audience are OSP carry in a press release our you know huge since say be kwakofa afri record but at the end of the day you hear asem na nkasa ni so so the can be say did you cause corruption ni charges here tibia say me wa ba mu say wo opposition there we Ghana ni say na ya koso ewo mu atinka be na ya wunya say Ghana wo haye wo GRA ajije eto ema oman wona ajije abansika na yese yemfa contract nkomo obi na ne dia obeye ne se oma ye awerehemu se sika na ye ajije no ta se to na ye amanfo tuetu ajije no ye correct na ne kwan so na eno nti no ye twa se sika bia bebia mu nchemu se yentua ma no
okay
oh yes we fi asese oh yes adwuma no oh ye no ye ni friend say mechanism ye ni kwan bia ye fa so ehwe se ade na wo se oh ye no oh ya na no ane se bosom ya ni etua bosom ya na etua nika ene se ye kofa akire hu se ade no kra papa no so oh ye ni ehu so faso ana susanso ana difference bia what the na yemu so far yakotua 1 billion over 1 billion Ghana cedis amano and is penifo wa bam minister of finance GRA commissioner general na mutimi eye nhihye say yentua sika we emma obia eno na yenhwe ne ye na say OSP akaso obekọ court na obekọ court na de eno mbo de eden a say nyina yete ha obekọ ayebehu wonko nso ayebehu na asem na nkasa na de wo mu de di Ghana yesika sem oman yete ha already eto kora yetu ani na enso ye no obi nso abegura mu say me hwe say eto no banti me yes adwuma no ma nyina meju say na no yegu so etua.
Okay, so when the first time yetimi are we saying say contract de ma SML no wa anyentini ye hu so mfaso ana say efi say na adwuma no say ka eboro so chen sene or report de ma o man no
OSP nhihwe mu ayekura say the contract was needless. Tanka enya dia wo say
when the first time we bet me akasa that's opinion
of
OSP
OSP nhihwe
and the opinion of OSP cannot be a factual statement.
No, your auditor, investigator, may call me. I've been an auditor before. My audit, my hair, and I have the power to report. And I'm sure me, I'm saying, oh, I did wait here. See, I heard, for some anywhere, I will cry the Nissan come where you cry. Some auditor, now because I think we are.
That's opinion.
That is my opinion. Yes, and I'll express my opinion, authoritative opinion.
Because it's
OSP say,
oh, yeah,
you know why you know. If you know why you know. Say Juma say contract no na Nissan kan.
But o say adwuma na e de ma no o ye good. O ye ya na.
O say that contract no na Nissan kan sign.
It na make us enu ye OSP opinion. O see that ba obi adwen tire dia. And now we match o betimi an obi so betimi aka to say contract na eye pa. Also does it make the person right?
Good.
It na be better say yemi say ampa and of course GRA Emma SM for contract.
Yes.
So we monitor Ghana your revenue your downstream your firm ye twa no krese adwuma na GR di ma no ye de Ghana secretary an kan we ye sa adwuma na
good say you say monitor your revenue collection monitor your to your DGA
okay
na from the beginning na ye de asi ho say o monitor e be hu say o monitor na say o monitor ye no say bi kura any ho there was no mechanism to determine say o monitor and say o monitor enti adwuma bi o ho opani ubekwa akohwe say ya na say yenye no because you see this things you are doing electronic based because ade no na me hu say waye until right from the initiation of the contract no say wo sign the contract unya experience unya exposed inside there no and say these are the friends key indicators me de be hu say waye na say onye ya obewie no so waye ahwe awu hu enti enu bi na o say ye need indicators craft o mo sign the contract na ntimi am ye hu say ba say o ka say wa monitor dey na be kire say wa monitor so monitor dey na be we did ye hu we nu nyana nti say so wa monitor no an say bosum bi ana yetua sika e dey amano
your friends Mpensenpensenmu wahu asam bia OSP aka bia no is alleged anameboa
sure
it's an allegation but we the way I mean you are running the commentary now
okay
just say wa conclude no
okay.
And that is the fear as ye bi mo no ye wo
okay
one say we wiase mu ayaba yi ade ba ko pe ena ye de ko ade ba ko pe enya japade a yanye no wiase mu ha o ade ba ko pe ena ye de ko eno ani din
yeah
ena ade ba ko pe ena sabe obetimi agya no wiase ha eno anso din ti se wan hwe yie na say odin sai a eno ana odi beko asaman no eno anso na besaka wo asase so a
so Graphic Business reported this story on Mamenhwe date no graphics we no date ya kwa share I think this year yeah okay so 14th May 2025 and Mamen quote a portion of their reportage say SML marks 5 years of petroleum downstream innovation for revenue assurance. Me read paragraph 4. Also, extant data shows that SML services have increased taxable monthly petroleum volumes from an average of 208 million liters to 450 million liters, from May 2020 to December 2024. This translated into 14.1 billion liters in captured excess volume and more than 20 billion Ghana cedis in additional tax revenue. The implication is that GRA can meet its annual target even before the deadline, whereas prior to SML's operation, GRA struggled to achieve this. It's in the graphic said between May 2020 and December 2024. Na fem wo ya yedi wudwuma osama for etwa hoto no na ya around 208 million liters, but SML ebe mu no ye be calculate wu se bebre fa enkwanchen ito mo budi ni nyina eba eseni emietimi nya 450 million liters fem wo amafo so mu twa ho eto ehun ti ka wo ma Ghana etimi nya sika 20.1 billion Ghana cedis from SML operations here oyeye.
Well, sad story we know. Meanwhile, you own the value in it. Me and me I won't also see the value in it.
Okay.
In a sense, it is now that is the reason why sad commentaries we know.
Okay.
Mimi feel say you need less because who paint the picture be a black about somebody.
Okay.
For all you know, if you go to court today. Omuna will charge you omuna prepare omo dockets.
Yeah.
Also prepare o dockets because allegations now we no. They are now going to be put together. Now you can't nyina me enubomu a ebi be way asini bi.
Sure.
Ebi way asini bi a ho and a judgment in by den. Ebeba. Into one way na SML ya o demonize omo no. Omo ko na omo docket no and evidence na omo wo no ways beyond who allegations now. Then ombeka say politicians here are for omako tua omako bribe on say onam homanya no we
na so akwa affect court no
I'm just telling you how we gradually destroy state institutions.
Maybe see ni aba
that is the problem
because nyame adma ochina na Adom FM color party eba so e o Legon Botanical Gardens me pa cho ye hia anopa no ndu pepepe samini ejina mu nipa nsia se tua 50 Ghana cedis na ne wo edon kra say ye be sa to dame honom etuji woni se unim dame pa etwa mesre wada ochina ye hia e o Legon Botanical Gardens e ba sie ya beto so bedwam nie esa wakwa babiem emfa mra bedwam dwumadi so na emfa happy birthday of my brains papa kwabna Ofori-Kuma wo class 3 ewo Incarnate Word Preparatory School Mantukwa in Sunyane ene enwenya 8 years we free o papa Christopher Ofori-Kuma o maame onua no nyina onamfo nyina se you will show happy birthday. Nyankopon tonko so enton super engu obra obos na ensi wiyenso. So na bente. The name so between I don't say gay bill ne lesbianism bill and Ministry of Health and omu data system. Many me di here befa. We forget no. Say am say president mama so be sign.
Bill no.
I say be year.
There be ni say be year. Say in fact as it now me am on the business committee there's a discussion we go as to say president beat me e dia aye no fofora na say de wo ho na yetimi eto aso. We have had a discussion here way out. We need to make us. Okay. You say omo ye bill no could do president enim president dada enim one sign it. Parliament that parliament na yemra samra as say say bill no agu yemra mu no say parliament e bibi sa na ntimi wi e say na say parliament for ba so no so assign
e boy chire hwe ni nyina biem.
In fact we were looking at constitution at committee level. I say sa bill we e qualify say ye ja to homa foforo eba ana say ebetimi ato aso because here in parliament dey ya form dey wie parliament na ho no o ye na form na dey wie and the kodru president anim to constitution no it may affect parliament aduma o ye wie no ana say parliament dey wie ni dey president no na anya ni dey nti ye fee say a free parliament e wo presidency. What does the constitution also say could do presidency ana hona yenya lakuna enti ye say new one na ban kra no. We say we you ever start here in fact we're going to bring it. Na sa discussion see Abba say can we start a new one and now say old one no the new president current president ebetimi atoa so aye de ne predecessor anye and now say ono so e de ne build
so in the books of parliament mo transmit the old bill no echo Jubilee House.
Yes.
So oko parliament books mo there's nothing like LGBTQ bill be or was a parliament consider.
Good.
It is a commodity be on more or say Jubilee House and a responding because parliament there ya dispatch ya urensa at the flow. Say ye 8, say 9, say 10 parliament. Ye nim ho hwe bi.
Sure.
Say a Jubilee House also mu di ho asem. Enye sir. It ni kwa say parliament for kra e discuss bi.
That is one view. Ko obi nso a kire say the then president so ade no ban ho na no so wo se obi e de no court say ade no kra o receive a enye yie. Enti say
say in the books of parliament there's nothing like LGBTQ plus bill on your table.
Yeah.
Adam boy.
Hey, new one saba.
There be new one aba. Old one na ye kan was me see e say ye mo anwie and a parliament ni wood ya. The Rebecca said you ma mo ye mo anwie. For frabot ye funtum ni nyina amfra but this time ye kan was me there. Ye yet yourself free home. Good. So be no was a parliament ka wo ho biem. The aka say Jubilee House na taking a decision on it. And yes sir.
Sir,
they are difficult.
Difficult in my church me say. Obi a raise 3 issues. The second one is say first one we can kill it because here me I'm of that opinion say the then parliament 18 and sir if you
okay.
Second one second school of thought for say the then president no so actually say obi akosi you say onu kura wontimi en receive sa bill no oni kwan e ma 7 no work. The entire president ubeka wontimi anya ho adwuma so obi e de no kokko say bo hweye na sa de no kura
the parliament sa receive a bill on the back.
My process no I'm on the committee.
But what that means say omo de ko na Jubilee House omo nye no parliament sa receive a bill on the back na.
Then the third school for no kura say can a parliament with a sitting president pass a bill and then a different parliament's president come to sign it? Say parliament na passes a bill no. The president Mpensenpensenmu that Yura Nana Adom one ne parliament nyina eko parliament foforo aba se parliament dada no mra no ye a this parliament foforo na waba ode the president foforo aba no the president mi sign mra the old parliament
say ye sadia say because ye obi bisa sadia it means say be the
these are things we are discussing.
I mean to so but me say then people no want the continuous governance system na ye run ase because what a continuous governance system na ye run ase ya president mama ba ye say Ghana ne IMF deal no. Ontimi ma betwem ene all because oba na go fa na asan ato. So what I say?
Say no dey
deal. The papa the bond ye wo no.
The kind of deal is a concluded sealed deal like we. It's a idea bill no call ya ko see say president assign na say ya wie mo djuma nyina
ti before parliament wie discussion be any more be
issues now me raising no. You know me I'm telling you say we're going to table the new one. Because from that school of thought, on fee say,
baby, I'm the name. When you raise some deal with LGBT,
no. But you know no, because I'm telling you, the president, I can say also he wanted to modify
from Professor University Tamils. ABC,
don't worry, you will get them. Yeah, MP say,
Oba Konkomaka Samoa. Yaka bibi say OPU you na abo mamambo.
Okay.
OPU you na abo mamambo. Chese antoa da.
Antoa da.
Na wada. Sawate. Why the way all kasa? O si nentia. Na Akufo-Addo antimi ansan no.
Okay.
Obi di na court. O kasa o constituency before 2024 election. Ankasa. O say Nana Addo omuji trumu tu entina one sign but I never when you kind but and ask you now we say you are very unfair me me person what say say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama
okay
no nye candidate keke
okay
no your former president
okay
and was say o share clergy ofre o mu akukudam was say me ba me sign
but I say on a member of parliament man share what can that constituency
say na man here me no ku no enu bi na we
but so you be see na ya beto so Adom ka bom ku ebre na edu so you be see me do say